my gosh, it's been a minute since I've been on my channel, and welcome. Hello, y'all can see my face now. It's been a while, like I said. So anyways, I just want to come on here real quick and unbox this conference box for Color Street. If you couldn't already tell, and if you haven't seen my past videos, I am a stylist with Color Street. And it's basically nail polish in like a nail strip form. I always leave links down below for a free sample. No purchase necessary. I'm not going to bug you to join me because I'm just not that type of person. Like, I just like selling it and talking about it. I just love the product. But anyways, I want to come on here because our conference is in June. No, I'm sorry, July. Today's June 29th. Anyway, so our conference is in July, in a couple weeks, and I'm not able to physically attend. It's in Florida, but we were able to purchase virtual tickets, and that also came with like a swag bag of sorts, because if you go to the actual in-person conference, you get a huge swag bag filled with a bunch of like Color Street stuff. And so I was able to get this box here. I'm gonna open it up. Oh my gosh, it's been forever since I've been on camera, everything, so forgive me if I'm a little off. And this video might go up after conference because I'm not sure if I'm supposed to show this right now, and I don't want to get in trouble. So this year's conference theme is called Pave the Way, and so there's this here. And I'm recording on my phone because I need to mess with my camera settings. Anyways, this looks like it's a planner. No, not a planner. Blank notebook. So I'm assuming whenever we do trainings and stuff during the conference, we could take notes. So I really like that, and it's really soft and padded. That's really cute. Next thing in here is, I think it's a cup. Let's see, what is it? Not a cup, but like a tumbler or something. Ooh, okay. Sweet. So it is a Color Street branded water bottle. It's metal, and it looks like our nail strip Check Me Out, which is a pink glitter. It's kind of what this looks like. It's really super cute. And then, oh, look at this bag, you guys. It is a clear holographic bag. Like, it's clear because you can kind of see my hand through it, but it's kind of like mirrored holo, whatever, but it's a cute tote bag. How cute is that? How many times am I going to say the word cute? All right, and then we have a Color Street branded glass mirror compact. Oh my god, this is awesome, you guys. Oh, look at that, look at that. You can see me on there. It says Color Street. Cool. Looks like it's in a bronzy beigey color, and then you can see the mirror. And then last but not least is sets. Wait, no, hold on, there's extra stuff hidden in this box. Okay, so before I show, what is this? A glass nail file. Okay, I'm gonna open it. Also Color Street branded. Oh wow, so what do you do? Oh, it's a little case. Oh, cute. Look, it's a Color Street branded glass nail file. I personally own a glass nail file. They are so good. And a Color Street brand. Of course, everything is going to be Color Street branded, but this is a pin. It says Pave the Way, Orlando, 2021. Cool. I love all that. So cute. Okay, now let's see. Ooh, cool. A sticker. Luggage sticker. So I don't know, I might put it on like my Color Street water bottle. Ooh, we get 3 conference exclusive sets. It is called Pave the Way. Go figure. Okay, so there are 3 glitter sets, so we could either use them for ourselves, use them for incentives, or sell them. So it's however we want to use these, but these are exclusive for conference. They're probably not going to make these for like the public or anything, so good luck getting your hands on one of these. I have 3 of them here. I don't know if I want to wear it. It's personally not my style. Like, I don't know. It's the Color Street colors with like, I don't even know if you can see it. But the base of it is, it reminds me of Fort Worth It, which is a holographic silver glitter. So that's the base of it, and it has a bunch of like little paintbrush strokes on it like so. Not sure if I'm going to wear these myself just because, like I said, they're really not my style. But we will see. Maybe my VAPs will like them if I use them for incentives or decide to sell one. Anyways, if you want to join my VIP group, it is linked down below as well. We have fun. We play games. I occasionally throw in some sales. Good stuff happening in there. Fun stuff, life stuff, funny stuff happening in that group. So feel free to join. You don't have to buy anything. But anyways, yeah. Be sure to like this video. It's good to see you guys. And hopefully I will see y'all again in the future. Thank you so much for watching this video. Alright, bye y'all.